now's the fun time when it comes to adding annotations and dimensions to your part. So if we go over here to annotation, I've got a few different ways I can do it. One is I can use just smart dimensions like I did when I was creating my sketches. If I click that, I can pick an edge. If I click on these, it automatically will place it, so that's a nice little easy way to do it. So I can pick from here to there, and then tell it to go down, and then I can pick from there to there, and tell it to go down again. And it's automatically going to space it out kind of evenly from me. So you can see I can move it wherever I want, or I can click there and it's going to go there. Things like that. And you'll notice these are nice, kind of a grayish color, and they're just referencing and reading what size that is. They don't, if I double click on here, it has this little thing, the brackets with a dim in between. That's something that's measuring the dimension. If I erase that and type in one of my own thing, it's going to do that. If I type in my own number, it's just going to overwrite the text. That's it. I can just come back and tell it to be bracket, dim, bracket. There we go. And that'll pull that number back in on it. And escape a couple times to get out of that. Another way to get dimensions is to use this model items here. So if I click on that, and now I can look at it and see what do I want it. Do I want it to go on the entire model or by feature? I can do that, and then I can pick the part. Now it's going to dimension on that view all that stuff. I can pick here, dimension what I can see on that one based on where things were created in the sketch, and then I can say OK. And that looks pretty, right? No, don't leave it like that. So you always want to, if you do this, you always want to go back in and fix your dimensions and things. So one of the benefits of doing it this way, so let me refresh there, is if I go in and double click on that number and change the number, see you got this little hatch pattern, means that the view isn't updated yet. I hit update, boom, it changes the part. So if you use the model items dimension here, now that will directly control the model also, and you can change the size of your things from the drawing. You don't have to open the part files. So, all right.